another successful edition of the Nigerian Invest, which is part of the Property Investor and Home Buyer Show held in the UK. And we've been able to bring reputable property companies from Nigeria to come and showcase to Nigerians in diaspora and the entire world that Nigeria is open for business, and we are ready to attract investors to Nigeria property industry.
Met a lot of people. The Property Expo, as always, has fulfilled our expectation, and Nigerian corner has been a nice innovation because it's beginning to put Nigeria in its rightful place as a major investment destination in the world today.
The show has provided us an opportunity, a chance at getting to meet so many Nigerians in the diaspora. And as a matter of fact, it has been a wonderful experience for us. It has totally met our experience, and we are looking forward to the next show.
We'll be coming back next time because we realize that so many people want to invest in Nigeria, but they are having difficulty in investing. But for we coming here, we saw so many of them, and we'll be able to answer some of their questions and let them have a positive feeling about investing back home. So we are definitely coming back next year.
This is the only event that portrays Nigeria Invest in the whole of the UK. This makes it a great opportunity for Nigerian exhibitors to be here. Also, we have recorded over 3,000 to 6,000 guests who visit each time we have the event. So why not? We look forward to seeing you in our future events.